Use hotkeys in the editor to increase your efficiency. After you have created a new physical layer, be sure to change its collision settings to avoid errors. Change the position of the windows to suit your needs to feel comfortable. Unity has presets of ready-made templates, and you can also create your own for convenience. Maintain a clear hierarchy in your composition to make it easier to find what you need. Use hotkeys to easily open items in the list. In the inspector, use the lock to focus on one object. Maintain a strict hierarchy to make it easier to find the files you need, and you can also change the appearance of folders for convenience. To navigate the scene, use hotkeys to move around the scene. In play mode, everything you change will not be saved in the current scene. Subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.